podcast. How are you? In this video, I am not going to speak any particular topic. I am going to introduce you some student who is speaking English very fluently. So I will see you. I will show you that student. He is standing behind me. So I am going to meet him. So first of all, I am going to meet the Priyanshu, and I am going to ask some sentence to Priyanshu, and in that sentence Priyanshu have to convert that sentence in English. Okay, I am going to give you some sentence, some Hindi sentence. You have to convert that sentence in English. ठीक है? ओके, सो मैं तुमसे कुछ हिंदी में वर्ड बोलूँगा, इन सेंटेंस बोलूँगा, तुमको उस सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में बनाना है, थोड़ा फास्ट बनाना है. ठीक है? आई नो यू कैन डू, बट यू हैव टू डू वेरी फास्ट. ओके, सो क्या क्या तुम बात कर रहे हो?
Are you talking?
पहले माइक. क्या तुम बात कर रहे हो?
Are you talking?
क्या तुम स्कूल जा रहे हो?
Are you going to school?
क्या तुम लिख रहे हो?
Are you writing?
क्या तुम पढ़ रहे हो?
Are you studying?
आर यू स्टडिंग गुड. प्रियांशु, किस क्लास में पढ़ते हो तुम?
I am reading class 7th.
ओके, दैट्स नाइस. सो आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क some sentences. First let me tell me answer. In which class do you study?
In which class do you study?
Yeah,
Sixth class.
you study in sixth class. Okay, that's great. So I am going to give you some sentence. You have to convert that sentence in English. Don't nervous. Okay, don't frustrated. Okay. So first of all, क्या तुम खाना खाते हो?
Do you eat the food?
Do you?
Eat the food.
क्या तुम गाना गाते हो?
Do you eat the sing?
क्या तुम गाना गाते हो?
Do you eat the
क्या तुम
song? Eat the song?
Do you sing the
Song.
song? क्या तुम लिखते हो?
Do you write?
क्या तुम पढ़ते हो?
Do you read?
क्या तुम जाते हो?
Do you go?
क्या तुम आते हो?
Do you come?
क्या तुम मनाते हो?
Do you celebrate?
क्या तुम सजाते हो?
Do you decorate?
Very good. Yeah, so you can see the fluency of the answer is very fast. He is converting all the sentence very fast way, and I am going to ask some more sentence to the answer, and you have to convert that sentence in English. Okay, don't nervous. क्या तुम सोते हो?
Do you sleep?
Do you?
Sleep.
Very good. क्या तुम आरबी स्कूल में पढ़ते हो?
Do you
Study?
Do you study RB Academy?
In
Inter-College
RB?
Academy.
Okay, very nice answer. And now I am going to the Lucky, and I am going to ask some sentence to the Lucky, and Lucky, you have to convert that sentence in English. Okay, so you have to convert that sentence in English. Okay, क्या हम जाते हैं?
Do you
क्या हम जाते हैं? बोलो. क्या हम जाते हैं?
do we go?
क्या हम आते हैं?
Do we come?
क्या हम खाते हैं?
Do we eat?
क्या हम सोते हैं?
Do we live?
Okay. In which class do you study, Lucky?
In this class I study 9th class.
Okay, that's nice. You can see the fluency of this student, and I am going to. So I am going to introduce you some one more student, and the name of this student. First, let me. What is your name?
My name is Abdul Kumar.
Okay. In which class do you study?
I study in class 6.
Okay, that's nice. So I am going to ask you some sentence. You have to convert that sentence in English. I don't nervous. I know that this student is good in English. He is speaking very fast, but because of the first time when he come to the camera, that's why he can't able to speak very fluently. But so I am going to ask you some sentence. You have to convert that sentence in English. Okay? क्या तुम जाते हो? Don't nervous. You give me the answer very don't nervous. Okay? क्या तुम जाते हो?
Do you go?
क्या तुम आते हो?
Do you come?
क्या तुम खाते हो?
Do you eat?
क्या तुम नहाते हो?
Do you
बात?
bath?
Okay. So you can see the fluency of that student is very fast. He is speaking so many sentences in very fast way. So you can see. Okay, you can see. Okay. So I am standing in the front of the Valmiki International Airport, which is located in Ayodhya. You know, Ayodhya is growing very fast in this time. So in this time I am going to some important word, and I thought I have to make this video in the front of the door, and so it is very good time to making this video, and I know this when I am asking the question of this student, then this student is sometimes become nervous, become sad, become frustrated. So don't worry, he can first time on the front of this camera, and you can see so many things of this airport, and this is the looking of evening time of this airport. This is the Maharishi Valmiki International Airport, which is located in Ayodhya, and you can see the background of me. It is looking very nice, and the lighting of this airport is also looking very nice. When you will come in the night and when you will see the lighting of this airport, then you will find it looks very nice, very fantastic. And when I am talking about the Ayodhya, so when you will come in Ayodhya, then you can't avoid the Ram Mandir. You will surely go to the Ram Mandir for the darshan, because so many person is coming right now in India for the darshan of the Sri Ram temple. When Mr. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi inaugurated the Sri Ram temple at the 22 January, after that the Ayodhya is growing very fast, and so many travelers start to come in Ayodhya for the darshan of the Sri Ram from the different corner of the country, and so the job opportunity for the people of the Ayodhya is also grow, and it is a very good thing for the Ayodhya. And when you will come in Ayodhya, then you will find so many things is running very fast, and the construction of the high-rise building is going very fast, and you can see in the front behind me, this is the and in the in after and in scenario in the future, in the future, it become as a very modern district, very modern city of Ayodhya. And looking up behind me is looking very fast, and this is the garden you can see behind me, and this is spread over the more than 2 kilometers from here to the main road. So as I know the student, when I met some student and when I introduced to you with him, then some of course they became very nervous, but as a student he tried to give me the answer of your question, my question. So if you will find any type of the mistake in that student, so you need to avoid that mistake. Okay, don't take very sensitive, don't aggressive on the mistake of that student. So I think this video is more than 7 minutes. I will see you in the next video, and I will look and I will go any good place where I will show you so many things. So in this video I stop to make this video, and I will see you in the next